G'day guys, Luke here at Honeycombes, Luke's Machinery Reviews. Hello all, welcome to another Luke's Machinery Reviews. This week we're looking at the John Deere 450M 5-foot round baler. M comes standard with a small diameter crop roller, small pickup and small rotor. Here we have a nice simple drive system, 2 drive chains, manual height adjustment, door lock system, net in the rear of the baler. As you can see guys, nice simple basic baler for all your farming needs. So pop in your closest dealer and ask about the John Deere 450M, the small round baler. Cheers.